Alright, let's complete the task 4. Task 4 is to create a web app. It says that first go and create a resource from the new blade, search the marketplace, and then look for web. From the marketplace, search this blade, select web app. Okay, so we need to create a web application here. So just follow me here. Let's go to here, all services. If you want, you can look for, but I think it's easy to go and search web app. It's here, marketplace web app. Click on this one. Okay, it says that we need to create a web app. Now let's go and look for the details. So from the basics tab, you need to leave the subscription as is. In the resource group, pick managed platform, and in the name, you type image API and then your name. Okay, so subscription I'll leave as is. Resource group, let's go and select managed platform that we created earlier. Web application name, so I'll call it as image API, and then your name I'll just put OK Azure. And okay, what is next is you go and in the public section select code, runtime.NET Core 3.1, OS Windows, location East US. Okay, let's do this. Publish code, runtime stack.NET 3.1 LTS, OS Windows, location we need to go and pick East US, and then okay, we need to look for a service plan. Okay, let's go. It says Windows service plan East US, create new one, name as managed plan. Okay, leave SUK and size as it is to the default values. Okay, so come down, create a new plan, managed plan, SUK and size leave as is. Let's click on monitoring. So from the monitoring tab, application insight, you select no and click on review and create. So from here we have to select enable application insights, no, click on no, click on next. So here you can review if you want, and simply click on create, review, and then click on create. So basically it will create a backend API for us. After that we need to configure the web app. Okay, so just wait for this to happen. Now you can see your application deployment is underway. So we'll just wait for this to happen. Now you can see it's done. Your deployment is complete. You can also verify from here, from the notification bar, deployment succeeded, go to resource. Okay, now I'll just close this one. Let's go back to the tasks list. So here it says the next task is to configure the web app. So what you have to do is select resource group, then select managed platform, and from there you select image API, and then go to the settings. From settings section you need to go to the configuration link. Okay, so just follow me here. I'll just close everything. Now it says that first, okay, let's go back to the home. I have to go to the resource group. We have to select our resource group, manage platform. Here I have to look for image API. It's here, image API, okay, Azure, the one we just created. And from here I have to go to the settings and then configuration. Okay, here we are. Now let's go and see what is next. Now from the configuration link, here it is. Select the application settings tab and then create a new application settings. Okay, then add and edit. Name settings name is storage connection string, and then in the value box we need to enter the storage connection string that you copied earlier. Okay, so follow me here. We need to create a new application setting here. Now here we need to enter the name. I'll just put the name here. This is application settings. Okay, let me just go verify. Oh, sorry. So we need to go to the application settings. Perfect. Storage account string, and I have to copy the string which we copied earlier, connection string. Okay, I'll just copy from here and then paste here. Deployment slot settings with, let's see, storage account. So leave the deployment slot setting text box to its default value. Okay, so leave this one as is. Click on OK. So now here you can see that we have added a new storage connection string under application settings. Okay, what is next? Click on OK, select save. and wait for this to happen. Okay, click on save, continue. It's updating the web application settings. It's done. Now from the web app blade, go to settings and select the properties link. Okay, in the properties link, copy the value of the URL. Okay, now let's go here in the web apps sorry, in the web app settings and properties. So where do we have properties? I'll just close this one. Image API, web app, settings. I have to look for properties. It's here, properties, and then we need to copy the URL. So URL is here. I simply, it's very hard to copy. I'll copy this way. I'll just paste it here. So this is our backend API URL. Okay, URL. Now we need to deploy ASP.NET Web Application to our web API ready. So let's go and see how it looks like. So this is your backend API. Now we need to, I'll close this one, close. Now we need to deploy some code. Okay.